In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new campaign, choose the right objective, and set the key settings like target, CPA, and budget, all while following the on-screen prompts with confidence. First, go to your Google Ads account. On the left-hand side, open the Campaigns section. Look for the button that lets you create something new and click New Campaign. Depending on your view, you may see more than one place to start a new campaign. Either one will work as long as it begins the campaign setup flow. You'll be asked to select a campaign objective. Choose the objective that best matches your goal, such as driving sales or leads. This choice helps Google optimize your campaign toward the results that matter most to you. After selecting the objective, click Continue to move forward. Next, select Performance Max as your campaign type. Performance Max uses Google's automation to find the best placements across search, YouTube, display, Discover, Gmail, and Maps, so it's designed to maximize conversions based on your goal. Now, enter your campaign name. Use a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, such as including the goal and a date. A simple, consistent naming convention makes reporting and optimization easier down the line. Click. Continue to proceed to your campaign settings. Here, you can set a target cost per action, often called target CPA. This is the average amount you're comfortable paying for a conversion. If you already know your numbers, enter a realistic target that aligns with your historical performance or your profitability threshold. If you're unsure, start conservative. You can adjust it later as data comes in. Next, set your budget. This is your daily average spend. Choose a budget that supports your goal and your target CPA. For example, if your target CPA is a certain amount, consider a daily budget that allows multiple conversions per day so the system has room to learn. Remember, actual spend may vary day to day, but it averages to your daily budget over the month. From here, follow the prompts on your screen. You'll be guided to provide the necessary details for your campaign, which may include confirming your bidding settings, ensuring your conversion actions are correct, selecting any required targeting options, setting a schedule, and reviewing any asset or business information the system requests. Use the info icons throughout the setup to understand each field and review the summary page carefully before finalizing. That's it. You've created a Performance Max campaign by selecting an objective, choosing Performance Max, naming the campaign, setting your target CPA, entering your budget, and following the guided prompts to complete setup. Once launched, give the campaign time to learn, then refine your budget or target CPA as performance data becomes available.